even greater Nigerian students, great Nigerian workers, great members of the civil societies, great members of community-based societies, great leadership of Nigerian Labour Congress Kano State Branch, and even great members of Kano State Executive Council. The Chairman, Labour Congress Kano State, local government, great Nigerian students, and great delegate, everybody, members of this congregation, ladies and gentlemen, peace be over you all. First of all, I would like to congratulate members of the Nigerian Labour Congress and other stakeholders for conducting this very peaceful demonstration. We appreciate you, we thank you, and we continue to appreciate all your problems, because your problems are our problems and our national problems. I have to thank the security agencies in Kano for working together and making Kano the most peaceful state in the Federation. I have to thank them because they briefed me the dialogue they had with the leadership on the Congress in order to ensure that this demonstration is a peaceful demonstration. There is no doubt the problem between federal government and the Asuu is a problem that has been lingering for a long time. It's a problem that has been inherited from previous administration, and it's a problem that must be resolved, because if it is not resolved, it will lead to the collapse of the education system in the country. May God forbid. We know the lecturers, members of Asuu, we know they are concerned. They are concerned not because of themselves alone, but because of the system. Because that is their area of domicile. We know what is happening now. They are suffering due to lack of salary for themselves and their families. And most importantly, the students are missing their lectures. This situation is unfortunate. We know the students who are suffering